Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show the how to detect the faces from the image. Okay. So for this purpose, we have to open the portal.azure.com. This is the Azure AI services. One of the Azure AI service we are going to show it today. First of all, we open the Azure portal.azure.com and then click here the click resource. We are going to create a resource and we need to search here face because we are detecting the face. We have to search the face services from the Azure. You can see here face is available here. Okay, we need to click here the create button. Create, and this is the subscription, and we need to select resource group. I am selecting resource group 1. You can select any resource group, or if you wish we can create the new resource group here. And then we need to choose the region. I am selecting different region as per my subscription, and any name you guys can put here. I am giving the name something like this. Pricing tier free I am using for the demo purpose, and after this we need to click review and create. It will take few seconds. It's reviewing our request. You can see here now request is reviewed. Now we have to click create button. The initialization deployment is started on Azure. It will take on 2 minutes. You can see here it's starting. Deployment is in progress. Now you can see here deployment succeeded, and just I will click go to resource. You can see, so whatever we created the name, this one is created. Face API is created. I click on this. We required only the few things. Required a resource key, API key, like we saw earlier, API key and URL. We need we forget resource management and click on the keys and endpoint. You will find the key and endpoint to access this Face API. That is the very simple steps how we can create the Face API. Just we have to log in the Azure portal and go to resources and search the face key and face API and just create as per my process. And this key and endpoint is required for accessing this API from the our code. So I'm going to show and how to access this face API using the Python. Let's move to the Python code. In the Python code, there are very few simple steps we can use to call the face API. First of all, there are few libraries we need to install. This is the requirements.txt file. I added the libraries .NET environment, Metropolis, Pillow, and Azure AI version face. This libraries we need to install. For installing this project, I already you can find in my GitHub project under 07 face API. And for installing there are very simple step. I already added in the requirements.txt file all required libraries. So just you need to run the command pip install -r requirements.txt. It will install the all required libraries. Okay, then you need to add the key and url in .env file. In the .env file there are two parameters. I am not showing this one because this is the key and URL I cannot share in the video, but similar the other environment you will find that this is something endpoint and key. So this is the something like this. And in the folder I added the few images for analyzing purpose. Like we can see, this is the face one image. I am going to analyze this image. This is something to face 2. You can analyze this one also, right? Now let's go to the Python code. So this is the Python code. We have to take the libraries, whatever required libraries we are going imported that libraries, and as per other codes, that is the clear the console. This is to getting the configuration setting from the .env files. We are getting the API service endpoint and key. And for this line, we are loading the image. This is the creating the object of the face client. And for this line, I am saying what features we require going to retrieve from the image, like the head pose, occlusion, any blocker, something in the image, any accessories. Then we are going to print this something like this. You can find the whole code in my GitHub code project. This is something I am using the face client and detect functions. We are passing the all image and we will detect the images, and then we are this line we are after the detecting the images, if image is detected, I am printing the required details. Okay, now let's run this. Here the command, just running the Python file, Python. This is the Python file. I am running face1.jpg. Just click on enter button. Now it will start running my code. Okay, we can see now it's anal- analysis completed on for the faces. For this image, one face is detected. You can see here the face one. This image there is the only one face. The face number one detected. It's detected the head, and it's there are no sub abstraction between them. Its accessories is glass. So this is the analysis of the face in the image. Now let's uh, go to detect the n in a different image. Let's I am calling here the face2 dot gpg. Just face2, just click enter. It's start the analysis detecting the face in this image. You can see here face detected, there is only one face and its details are, you can see here the details are shown. Okay, it's detected there are three things: head, any abstraction, and accessories. There are no accessories, the accessory is blank. Let's detect another face, another image. In this image you can see there are two faces. Okay, so just I am changing the, oh it's phase 3, sorry it's not phase 3, I need to add, yeah it's properly giving the error, no such file or directory available. Just it is the faces. I am adding, changing the name faces. And let's see what's its detect. It should be detect that it should be two faces. Let's see, I click on run. Two faces detected, phase 1, phase 2. You can see here all the details. Phase 1, there are no accessories. Phase 2 has the phase 1. Yep, two faces detected. Phase 1 details, phase 2 details. In the phase 2, you can see here the accessories, glasses, it's detecting perfectly. Yep. So this is the very simple steps we can analyze and detect the faces. In the next video, I will give you the any other AI like the topics and with the all details. Till now, thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.